Two dads, both fighting to be a part of their sons' lives.
Their case is different, but both start with a Florida law that kept them from being recognized as their child's legal father.
News Channel 5's Michelle Casada live tonight to tell us how a judge's decision is about to impact their cases and change the lives of other families too. Michelle?
Michael, Shannon, both biological fathers I've talked to had kids born to mothers who were married to other men. An old Florida law says those husbands are the legal fathers. Well, now a Supreme Court decision says biological dads can fight that. A Supreme Court decision just validated Treasure Coast dad John Karpinski's fight.
I feel that the court system is finally being able to see what's been going on.
His ex-girlfriend and her husband have chosen to raise his son, and he's been fighting for paternal rights.
This is a validation by the Supreme Court that biological fathers have standing, meaning they have the right to go to court and at least argue that it's in the best interest of the child for them to have a relationship with their natural father.
In Karpinski's case, the judge saw that because he was a part of the child's life and had established a relationship with his son before the mother cut all ties with him, he had legal standing to fight for paternal rights, regardless of the Florida law that recognized the mother's husband as the baby's legal father. But that wasn't the same case for Loxahatchee dad Christopher Farrell.
Was completely heartbroken, shot down.
The court said because he never had a relationship with his son, he had no standing to fight for rights.
Thought I was going to lose my son. For the past 2 years, 3 years, I actually have lost my son. I haven't been able to see him at all.
Farrell said his ex cut all ties with him when she got back with her husband. He only got to hold his son once.
That eats me up a lot.
He hopes this new decision will give him a chance to prove he should be in his son's life.
Now we have something positive to look forward to.
In John Karpinski's case, he did have a trial to try to prove it's in the best interest of his son to be recognized as the legal father. The judge has not issued a ruling yet. Farrell hopes he can go back to family court and be granted a trial to prove he should have paternal rights. In the newsroom, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.